Closing balance for receivables ledger control account. The following control account has been prepared by a trainee accountant. Receivable ledger control account. Opening balance $77,150. Cash received from credit customers $36,800. Credit sales $38,550. Discounts allowed to credit customers $350. Cash sales $22,025. Contras against credit payables. Balances in ledger $1,150. Interest charged on overdue accounts $600. Irrecoverable debts written off $1,225. Allowance for receivables $700. Closing balance $99,200. Total $138,875. What should the closing balance be when all the errors made in preparing the receivables ledger control account have been corrected? Answer: Receivables ledger control account. Opening balance $77,150. Cash received $36,800. Credit sales $38,550. Discounts allowed $350. Interest charged $600. Contra $1,150. Irrecoverable debts $1,225. Closing balance $76,775. Total $116,300.